Hey beauty enthusiasts, are you tired of unwanted hair? Well, say goodbye to it, because today I'm breaking down 4 easy hair removal methods just for you. First up, hair removal creams, also known as depilatory creams. These creams dissolve the hair so it can be wiped off easily. Here's how you use them. 1. Always do a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any allergic reactions. Wait 24 hours. 1. Clean and dry the area you want to treat. 1. Use the applicator or your fingers to apply an even layer, but don't rub it in. 1. Let the cream sit for the recommended time, usually 5-10 minutes. 1. Wipe it off with a damp cloth. The hair should come off easily. 1. Wash the area with lukewarm water and moisturize. Next, we have shaving, a quick and easy method. 1. Gently exfoliate to remove dead skin cells. 1. Wet the area with warm water. 1. Use a generous amount for a smoother finish. 1. Use a clean razor and shave in the direction of hair growth. Rinse the razor frequently. 1. Rinse with cold water to close pores, then apply a soothing lotion. Now let's talk about waxing. This method removes hair from the root for longer-lasting results. 1. Soft wax requires strips or hard wax, no strips needed. 1. Clean and dry the area, exfoliate if needed. 1. Follow the instructions to heat it. 1. Use a spatula to apply in the direction of hair growth. For soft wax, place a strip over it. 1. Pull the strip off quickly against the direction of hair growth. For hard wax, let it cool and peel off directly. 1. Apply a cooling gel or aloe vera afterward. Lastly, we have epilating using an electric hair removal device. 1. Exfoliate to reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. 1. Pick the appropriate attachment for the area. 1. Start on a lower speed if you're new. 1. Hold the skin taut and gently move the device against hair growth. 1. Use a soothing lotion or cream post-epilation. Each method has its pros and cons. Depilatory creams and shaving are quick, while waxing and epilating last longer. Always follow safety steps and moisturize to keep your skin smooth and happy. That's it for today, beauties. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Bye!